Southern Road, Plaistow E13, is within spitting distance of the old West Ham football ground before it moved to the London Stadium. This compact site, set in a residential area, will shortly see some exciting new dwellings of the highest standard and finish. We are looking at part 1 of the development, and can see the foundations being excavated, and the soil being removed from the site, in preparation for the foundations to be laid. Several lorry loads of earth have been removed. At the same time, concrete is being delivered and is filling the cavities made by the earth movers. The concrete is reinforced with preformed steel cages that is set into the wet concrete to strengthen it. Look carefully, and you can see the concrete in the foundations and the reinforced steel being inserted. This entire time lapse is just over 1.5 minutes long, yet represents a week's work in real time. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button below, and the bell, and then the all button, so that you are notified when we upload the next installment, or other time-lapse and drone footage of the incredible construction sites we are building and renovating across the UK. Please feel free to hit the like button too. Thanks for watching.